What's the meaning of airstrike? Airstrike. 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 Airstrike.
An airstrike refers to a military operation where aircrafts are used to attack and destroy a target on the ground. The result of an airstrike can be devastating, as precision-guided missiles and bombs can cause significant damage and loss of life to the intended target. Airstrikes are often used in modern warfare due to their accuracy and ability to quickly neutralize a threat from a distance. However, they can also cause collateral damage, which is when unintended targets are hit and damaged, including civilians and non-military infrastructure.